Hello everybody, my name is Jarek and welcome to my YouTube channel Yaropol80. Today we have a beautiful day and I have a very nice big SUV that I would like to show you. This is 2013 Ford Expedition, a very popular SUV in America. It's very comfortable, big. It's got nice little seats. It's got the navigations, backup camera, all the nice features, DVD inside. So I hope you're gonna like this car. Thank you very much for all your support, your likes and comments. I wish you all the best.
Seeing monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero. Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat.
It's time to quit while we're ahead. Don't think like that. I will love you endlessly. If you don't believe, don't you be like that. I will love you for
You could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me. You could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me. You could be around, but you could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me. You could be around, but you could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me. I was angry before, but I circled the drain in my mind. I can't find. Don't let the sun go down. Don't let the sun go down. I was angry before, but I circled the drain in my mind. I can't find. Don't let the sun go down. Don't let the sun go down. I didn't think we could fall in love. Broken from the start, chained to our past. We had closed hearts. We are breaking free. It's just you and me. We might fall apart while we're running away. Can we break free? Can we break free? Can we break free? Can we?